Yeah, so hello. This is the SaaS app that I've built. It's named Outvoice that automates your business workflow, invoice workflow. So here, as I'm assuming that I'm a new user, I click on continue with Google or any other kind of OAuth. So here there are two options. I can, click on sign in or sign up. So for a new user, that's basically the same. So it says to me, we have started your sign up. Once that is done, I can just go ahead and if I have an invite code, I can put it here or go ahead and connect invoice. I'll skip that for now. I can also change my workspace name. So let's say I just write a workspace one and then click on go on dashboard. So once that is done, it prompts me to invite a team member as mentioned in the epic. So here, let's say I invite a new ID named Harko and send it. So in no time, I'll probably get a email. Yeah, here it is. It says join workspace one and you have been invited as an editor. So I'll just pop it any, yeah, so in a browser where I'm already signed in to this account. So I'll just click on continue with Google. I hope that goes through. Yes, perfect. So I'll just click on accept invitation. Once that is done, I'll be in the same workspace as my admin or the user, master user, right? So assuming that is true, I can also see that in my team there have been two people and including me, right? And I can change the roles or else I can just see in the dashboard that obviously there have been zero invoices processed. For that, I have to connect my email connector, and for that, I have to buy a subscription account. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and click on buy seats. So I'll be buying a monthly subscription. Here I'm using it in a sandbox environment, but it is just the same exact thing when it goes to production. So here it uh, allows me to use a mock credit card information. So once that is done, I'll just put a name and click on subscribe. So what this would do is essentially just complete the subscription and redirect me to the billing page. So it says obviously subscription has been updated, sweet, and I have one seats paid and zero inboxes connected. So yeah, I can also go ahead and click on add seat, but I'll just show right now how am I able to connect to the inbox. So here I have one available seat. I'll click on Gmail and let's say I connect my own inbox. It asks me for some access that I've put and it says connected successfully. So that is working. Also I can so now, yeah, so if I click on add connector, it says you're using one of paid seats and you can add more. So here I'll show you quickly how I can even add more. So this is the interface for adding seats. So if I just click on confirm, it has my card details already, so which is cool. And whenever I'm redirected to the billing page, I see that yes, I have two paid seats where I can connect another email inbox. So let's suppose I connect this thing. So what it essentially does is gives me a refresh token that refresh itself, and I can have the access to the API. Once that is done, I can even click on delete this email connector and it goes away, right? Yeah, so I'll also show how the invoice forwarding thing works. So basically, it's like a cron job that runs every 30 seconds or 1 minute, or however you want to set it, and it basically runs to check if there is any kind of event that has happened. So here I have a Gmail connected, right? So from another Gmail ID, I sent a invoice to, yeah, just select this. So for your reference, it's 500. Before that, obviously, I would obviously want to connect a forwarding address, gmail.com. Yeah, so obviously I have to set it as default. Once I have set it as default, invoices are automatically forwarded. Cool. So yeah, ignoring all these, we'll see another status like before that. So here I have five. So we'll ignore those. Those were from before. So if I send it to the hakko@gmail.com, I have it connected here. So sooner or later, I should be able to see a new invoice pop up apart from these five. I'll just quickly refresh. I think it is running like it is scheduled the job here. So you can see like it is taking sufficiently long time to process and doing the LLM calls and forwarding and stuff. And now if you reload, you'll see, yeah, voila. So it has been forwarded too. So I'll just go ahead and check if that is the case. So yeah, it should be forwarding to this email ID, which is this quantum, right? Because I have it in my forwarding destinations. And yup, I see a invoice which has been forwarded, and it has also successfully extracted the amount, date, and vendor. Yeah, so that's that.